Hey West Hills! On Friday, October 5th, our NDC campus hosted a FAFSA and California Dream Act renewal workshop for students to get assistance on filling out their applications for the upcoming 2019-2020 year. For those who don't know, FAFSA stands for Free Application for Federal Student Aid, and based on income, household size, and other living conditions, the state will grant you free money for college. For our event, instead of making students sit through a presentation, students were actually able to gather in the computer lab and receive one-on-one assistance from our financial aid representatives and one of our peer tutors. Annabelle and Angelica showed each student where to log in and how to make their accounts, and then walked them through the process of filling out their applications to get a head start on the process, and some students were even able to complete and submit theirs. Both applications opened October 1st and are due on March 2nd, so start yours today by logging onto one of these websites.